Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is unconditional love. It's time to attract your tribe, your community, your people, your assembly, your classroom. You have a great gift. You're the greatest teachers of all time. Now it's trying to attract your people. It's easy to attract people with honey, which is love. Love is the one weapon and one energy that we have in the world that cannot be combated. You cannot force anyone to love you or support you, but you can love them into loving you, loving them into supporting you, just because love is intoxicating and people love to be around you. So as you've learned to be unconditionally loved, show that and watch how your people come pouring in. My heart is free from resentment towards others. I open my eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being. I am aware that suffering causes distress and hurt in people. Hurt people hurt people. Healed people healed people. I see the pure child in everyone, and I practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is a breakthrough. It opens up so much space. So many things of lack and negative energy is taking away and flees from you once you forgive. You look into the gates of that person's soul, which are the eyes, and you can see the child within them, and it's easier to forgive once you see that they may not know any better, no matter the age. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.